I realized in the last video that I was showing the table shaking because I thought that was the important thing, but no one really got to see it go. So, let's see. I'm going to zero this thing out to there. Clear that. Regenerate that. So now we're where we're supposed to be. I can go ahead and lift the head back up just so it doesn't soak through the paper. And go. Oh, swing and a miss. Let's try that again. Here. Okay, we're gonna jog back to a reasonable starting point. Alright, and let's try this again. Oops, a little too much. How about there? Okay. Alright. 0, 0, 0. Start there and go. Okay. You see that my elbows are resting on the table here. This will also be a better video for people that don't want to hear me rambling about all the technical crap. Looky there. Stars. Ting. Can't wait until that's a router and set up a pen. Ding.